In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can lock Instagram on your iPhone. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you do need to go ahead and close out of Instagram and you need to open up the Shortcuts app. So I'm going to close out of Instagram fully and then just search for Shortcuts. But open up that Shortcuts app. It's going to look something like this for you. And here, what you need to do is select Add Action up at the very top. And in this action section, what you need to choose specifically is going to be the lock screen. So I'm just going to search for this. It's easier if you just search for it instead of scrolling through. But find lock screen, go ahead and select that. It's going to open up a page that looks like this. And this is where you need to go ahead and go to the automation tab specifically. It's search actions. And then that's when you need to go ahead and search Instagram specifically. Open up Instagram and then hit search. And then scroll down and find open Instagram. It'll look something like this for you. And then from here, just start running that automation just like so. The process really is as simple as that. Now, whenever Instagram is open, the iPhone will automatically lock, so the person has to unlock the phone again before using it. As you can see, it just shut off my iPhone. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.